Can you identify what's wrong or unnecessary in these sentences? There are 20 such sentences, and let's see if you can spot them. The first sentence is, she don't like spicy food. The correct sentence is, she doesn't like spicy food. We say, she doesn't, because she is third person singular, so do changes to doesn't. She don't is wrong, because don't is used with I, you, we, and they, not she. I look forward to meet you. The correct sentence is, I look forward to meeting you. We use meeting because to is a preposition. After a preposition, we use the ing form. To meet is wrong, because to, in this context, is not an infinitive. I didn't receive your message. The correct sentence is, I didn't receive your message. We say receive because after didn't, the verb must be in its base form. Didn't received is wrong because didn't already shows the past tense, so the verb does not take ed again. They use a lot of jargons when they speak. The correct sentence is, they use a lot of jargon when they speak. We say jargon because it is an uncountable noun. Jargons is wrong because uncountable nouns do not take the S form. The new equipments have arrived. The correct sentence is, the new equipment has arrived. We say equipment because it is an uncountable noun. Equipments is wrong because uncountable nouns do not take S, even when we are talking about many items. There are many information in this report. The correct sentence is, there is a lot of information in this report. We use information because it is an uncountable noun and takes a singular verb. Many information is wrong because many is used with countable nouns, not uncountable ones. We don't have much meetings today. The correct sentence is, we don't have many meetings today. We use many because meetings is a countable noun. Much meetings is wrong because much is used with uncountable nouns. I've been working here since 5 years. The correct sentence is, I've been working here for 5 years. We use for with a period of time. Since 5 years is wrong because since is used with a starting point, not a duration. The furnitures are expensive. The correct sentence is, the furniture is expensive. We use furniture because it is an uncountable noun and is treated as singular. Furnitures is wrong because uncountable nouns do not take the S form. Can you please answer to the question? The correct sentence is, can you please answer the question? We say, answer the question, because answer takes a direct object and does not need the preposition to. Answer to is wrong here because to is unnecessary. We will plan this in advance. The correct sentence is, we will plan this. We say, we will plan this, because plan already means to think ahead. In advance is unnecessary here, because it repeats the same meaning. I will share the details once I receive it. The correct answer is, I will share the details once I receive them. We say receive them because details is plural. Receive it is wrong because eat is singular and does not match details. Please return back the document. The correct sentence is, please return the document. We remove the word back because return already means to give back. Adding back is unnecessary and repetitive. We will repeat the process again. The correct sentence is, we will repeat the process. We remove again because repeat already means to do again. Adding again is unnecessary and repetitive. She spoke loudly in front of everyone. The correct answer is, she spoke loudly in front of everyone. We use in front of as two words. In front is wrong because it is not a word in standard English. Please put off the fire. The correct sentence is, please put out the fire. We say, put out the fire, because put out is the correct phrasal verb for stopping a fire. Put off is wrong here because put off means delay or postpone, not extinguish. I am having a car. The correct sentence is, I have a car. We say, I have a car, because have is a stative verb used to show possession. I am having is wrong because the continuous form is not used for permanent possession. We use am having only for temporary actions or experiences. Please free up some time for the meeting. The correct sentence is, please make some time for the meeting. We don't say, free up some time, because free up usually means releasing something that is blocked. For meetings, the natural expression is, make some time, meaning to arrange or allocate time. Let's meet together tomorrow to discuss this. The correct sentence is, let's meet tomorrow to discuss this. We remove together because meet already means to come together. Adding together is unnecessary and repetitive. And the final sentence. I don't know what is this. The correct sentence is, I don't know what this is. We don't use question word order in indirect questions. What is this is a direct question, but after I don't know, we use statement order, so it becomes what this is. That's all we've got for this video. How many sentences did you spot? Let us know in the comments below. Hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.